Welcome to day one, okay? We got 10 minutes together. So we're gonna first start with a quick warm up and move right into the moves. It's only gonna be about 1 minute, okay? So take those hips side to side, nice deep breath. Breathe it in and breathe it out. Every move that we do is gonna be 30 seconds. After that, 15 seconds rest. Then we'll go right back into the next one, okay? 10 seconds. Good, nice big dynamic moves. 2, 1 more. Good. And let's kick those toes out front for 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in. All right, are we ready to go? Okay. All right, we're gonna first start out with a deadlift. No weights this week. Okay, hands are gonna be behind your head. All right, you're gonna slowly bring it over, right to your hips, and bring it up. When you come up, you're pulling with the back of your heels here, okay? All right, so we're ready? You bring it down, keep that chin up, and pull up. Down, pull up. Now, when you come up, squeeze that booty. Good. Breathe it out. We only got 30 seconds. And breathe. Come on, 10 seconds. Good, you should feel that in the back of your legs, not in your lower back. So squeeze those abs so you're not using that lower back to lift yourself. 1 more, and pop. Good. All right, nice deep breath. We got 15 seconds. We're gonna move to the next move, which are gonna be punches, okay? So you plant those feet, jabs, right out front. Squeeze those abs nice and tight. Ready? 3, 2, and punch. Focus on that breathing during this move. Also, don't rotate those hips. So keep those hips nice and still, facing forward. Just jab it out front. Keep it going. 10 seconds. And you can count it out if you want to. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. All right. Should be feeling good. Roll those shoulders back. All right, so on this next move, you're gonna extend that leg out to the side. Hold that right arm out, or your left arm, whichever, sorry. Same leg, same arm. And you're gonna bring that knee up, okay? Bring that knee up to the elbow. 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. So every time you bring that knee up, you're contracting that muscle, working those abs. These are more standing. We're not gonna hit the mat at any time this week, okay? So you can get these done in the morning, 10 minutes just before you get ready to get dressed for work. Get them done when you come home from work. Or knock them out during your lunch break. Good, good. Point that toe when you bring it down. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. All right, guess what? Just switching sides. Still got 15 seconds rest though. All right, you ready? Hold on, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and go. And breathe. Really crunch it. Keeping that body straight up and down. I just realized something. That is that I have this on Pandora, and I should have had it on Spotify because I have no commercials. But we're gonna keep going anyway. Good. 2, and rest. Good, nice deep breath. All right, so of course, every workout we're gonna start out again with the basic squats, okay? We're gonna start working those legs right away. Ready? Watch those knees. So squat, bring it up. Squat and up. Keep it going. Good, you're sitting into those hips, so you're reaching for that chair behind you, keeping those knees at a 90-degree angle. And breathe it out when you come up. And 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, rest. Good job. Okay, guess what? We're going back to the beginning. All right? Got 30 seconds because we finished one round already. All right, you remember the first move? All right? What was my first move? We're gonna hit those jabs. All right? Ready? And jab. Punch. Keep those hips still. It's gonna come back to me. Keep it going. Punch, punch. Ten seconds. 4, 3, 2, rest. Good. 15 seconds rest. All right. All right, here we go. The other one. We got that leg extended out and that arm up. You're gonna bring that elbow to the knee. Ready? Hold on. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and go. Here. Good, just like you're honking, asking the truck to honk at you. Honk. Good, breathe it out. Whew, nice job. I'm beginning to work up a little sweat already. We don't even have any weights. Come on, keep going. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, rest. Good job. Nice deep breath. Breathe it out. All right, we're hitting that other side. Got 8 seconds. 5, 3, 2, and go. Good, breathe it out. Contract those abdominal muscles. Tighten it up. Holidays are over. Come on, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 2, and rest. Good. All right, roll those shoulders back. Woo! Okay, we got those squats, okay? Coming up. Ready? 4, 3, 2, and go. Squat and up. Good. And up. Stay with me. Come on, try and keep my pace. Sit into those hips. Breathe it out when you come up. Feeling good now. We're all warmed up. Got yourself moving. Give yourself a pat on the back. Come on. Hold on. Hold on. 5 seconds. 3, 2, rest. Good. All right, we're getting ready to start round 3, last round. Okay, guess what? Before we go into round 3, we have to still add this to round 2, okay? That was a deadlift. I knew I missed something. Hey, this is live workouts coming to you, okay? All right, here we go. Take it down, pull it up, down. You're pulling with the back of those legs. And up. Good, and keep your eye on me, okay? You wanna try and keep your back as flat as possible. Bring it down and up. Come on, 10 seconds, then we'll finish real quick with that round 3. We're actually gonna hit this one again as we start round 3. 2, 1 more, and rest. All right, grab some water real quick. You got 30 seconds, and then we head into round number 3, final round, okay? All right, while you're waiting around, this is just a precursor to what I'm gonna have coming up later this month, actually in the next 2 weeks, week and a half or so. So you can do my online classes a la carte, or I'm gonna have a full-on 12-month transformation journey for 2019, and all kinds of good stuff, so I'm excited. All right, now I've been wasting 10 minutes, let's hit this deadlift again. Ready? And go. And bring it up. Anyway, like I said, I'm super excited. In the meantime, work that body. Good. And bring it up. And up. Down. And up. Come on, I want to see some transformation this year. Seems like last year everybody was kind of just pushing through. All right, and almost there. 5. I want everybody to maintain that same energy for the whole 12 months this year. And rest. Good. 15 seconds, we'll hit those punches. All right, ready? 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and punch. Come on, this is round 3. You can speed it up. It's gonna increase that heart rate some. Squeeze those abs, keep those hips still, and jab. Come on, I want to see some strong jabs. You want to videotape yourself, send me the video of your jab. Okay? Come on, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, rest. Nice. I'm feeling stronger and stronger every move. All right, we got that leg out here, arm up. No, here we go. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and bring it up. You're working your legs, those glutes, those abs, even your arm. Come on. 15 seconds. I'm your timer, 10 seconds. 6. Woo, 2. And rest. Ay, ay, ay. Grab some water, we got one more on the other side. So, guess what? I'm just coming off a 2-week journey myself. Not journey, but 2-week break. So I'm right with you. Ready? And go. Pace yourself. You can speed them up or keep them slow. Come on. Nice job. If you're here with me, nice. Keep it going. 10 seconds. We've got one more move and you're done. 2. One more. Woo. Oh. 15 seconds. All right. Alrighty. Last move. 10 minutes. Knocked it out. 3, 2, and go. Squat. Press it up this time. It's the last one. Press. That's the other thing. During my workouts, I like to throw little curveballs. Okay? Every workout's gonna be different. Every workout, new energy, okay? Good, squeeze that butt when you come up. And done. Nice. Okay, nice deep breath. If you want, get yourself a little stretch out, okay, before you get moving again. Drink a lot of water today. And I will see you tomorrow for day 2. All right, if you want, repeat these again. You can get as many rounds in as you like. Okay, again, thank you for joining me. It's RJ's online studio, and I will see you tomorrow.